Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature on Messenger, sending direct messages from your PC. There's a new update that makes it a breeze, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, open up your Messenger app on your computer. You know the drill, the blue icon with the white lightning bolt. Now, you're ready to start chatting. To send a direct message, click on the new chat icon. It's usually a little pencil or a plus sign. You'll find it at the top or bottom of your Messenger window, depending on your version. Now, it's time to search for the person you want to chat with. Type their name or username in the search bar. As you type, Messenger will give you suggestions, so just select the right person from the list. You're almost there. Now you'll see a chat window open up. Type in your message, just like you would on your phone, and press enter to send it off. And that's it. It's really that simple. Sending direct messages on Messenger from your PC is super intuitive, and you don't have to worry about complicated steps or hidden menus. This new update makes staying connected with your friends and family even easier, no matter where you are. So, go ahead, give it a try and see how easy it is to send a message from your computer. If you have any questions or other tech tricks you'd like to know about, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.